Hello, my name is Kayla Dawson, and today I will cover the file system structure of a Windows and Linux operating system, the differences between the two, and provide a comparison of two storage solutions in an enterprise network. The Windows file system structure is arranged in a hierarchical structure. Data drives such as the C, D, and E are stored in different data drives. Applications are the opposite and stored in folders just for programs, such as program files and program files for 32-bit applications. The storage components in a Windows operating system consist of volumes, directories, and files. The Linux file system structure, like Windows, is structured in a hierarchical manner. Files are ordered in a tree, as you can see from the table provided. Root is the starting point of the Linux file system, then subdirectories follow after. etc, bin, user, temporary, and dev are the subdirectories that follow after root. Linux considers directories, devices, and general files as files. Devices such as the keyboard, mouse, printer, and others are considered a file in Linux. Directories such as root and non-root user are considered files as well. Windows and Linux operating system both have a command line interface. In Windows, the default command line interface is the command prompt, and in Linux, the default command line interface is terminal. Both operating systems have a hierarchical file system layout, where root or a data drive is the superuser at the beginning of a file system. Linux is an open source operating system, so users can make changes to the source code as needed. Windows, on the other hand, is a commercial operating system, so source code isn't available to users. Linux is the safer option than Windows because it's easy to find bugs and fix them. Windows has a lot of users, which entices hackers to attack the system. Linux runs faster in terms of speed, even on older hardware, while Windows is slow. In Linux, hard drives, CD-ROMs, and printers are considered files, whereas in Windows, they're considered devices. In Linux, files are organized in a tree structure with root as the top directory, whereas in Windows, files are kept in folders on different drives, such as C, D, and E. Linux allows two files to have the same name in the same directory as long as the cases are different. So you can have two files named finance in the finances directory, where one file has a capital letter in the name, let's say F, and the other has a lowercase letter, let's say C. Windows doesn't allow two files with the same name. They have to be different. Linux keeps system files and programs in different directories, where Windows keeps system files and program files in data drives, such as C, D, or E. Between the Linux and Windows operating system, I believe Linux is the better option from a business standpoint. The speed in executing the installation of applications, making modifications, or changing ownership in files is faster and provides more efficiency in completing assignments or tasks. This is very vital for a cybersecurity professional in performing their job functions and responsibilities. Network attached storage is a type of enterprise storage that permits numerous client devices and users to access data from a central pool of disk storage. Over an Ethernet connection, users can access the shared storage of a network attached storage, which appears as a node on the local area network with its own IP address. This enterprise storage is simple to use, low cost, and has a high capacity for data storage, which makes it cost efficient for a company to invest in and add as a resource. This enterprise system is generally associated with unstructured data such as videos and medical images. Storage area network is a high-performance storage network or subnetwork that is separate from an organization's common user network. In order for each server to access data as if it were directly attached, is through a connection of pools of disk or solid-state storage, which is distributed to various servers. Host bus adapters, cabling, and switches connected to servers and storage via fiber connection or Ethernet are the three main parts that make a storage area network interconnected. All the storage is managed centrally by administrators. Some benefits of this network are high availability, disaster recovery, data sharing, effective and dependable backup and restoration features, and remote support. Multiple paths are established to all data through the storage area network, ensuring that access to vital data is never lost in the event of a server failure. Storage area network and network attached storage are both network-based storage solutions. A storage area network uses fiber channel connectivity, which differs from network attached storage, which uses Ethernet. Storage area networks normally come in the form of a disk, while network attached storage is normally in the form of a file server. Network attached storage stores unstructured data, such as videos and medical images. Storage area networks store structured data, such as databases.